OnePlus has arrived with its new flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 10 Pro, and there are certain changes that make this phone an enigma. Though it's already been released in mainland China, the global release of OnePlus 10 Pro is expected to happen sometime in March. The cost of the phone is almost the same as the OnePlus 9 Pro, so we can expect this phone to cost similar to the last year's OnePlus model. There are some important changes to the specifications, and this phone is more inclined to the Oppo smartphones. Important changes have taken place in the OS, camera, and charging style, which we will look at soon. Let's begin with what we get in the box when we buy the OnePlus 10 Pro. You will get a SIM tool, OnePlus 10 Pro handset, its colored soft case, charger, and the cable that OnePlus provides. There is a change with the charger. It's the Oppo's Super VOC charger and it uses USB-A, yes you heard it right. Now the design is a little similar to the OnePlus 9 and P Pro, but the camera array has got a different look. A big square block that has a triple camera setup looks like the one found on the Samsung Galaxy S21. Although glossy cuts for the cameras look a little odd. The phone is available in two colors, forest green and volcanic black, and both are looking classy. The size is almost the same as the OnePlus 9. There is the 6.7 inches AMOLED screen which is not too big in hand, and the back has a satin finish except the camera setup. There is a comfortable fingerprint sensor that is on the screen and no issues with it. Other classic OnePlus features like the speaker and the SIM card tray at the bottom and the alert slider on the side. There is the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus to protect the screen from big damages, and the glass back and aluminum frames are all good. The biggest change with this OnePlus model is its operating system. The phone will be running on Color OS, and it is said that OnePlus is working with Oppo to build a hybrid OS merging Oxygen OS and Color OS. This has upset some fans a little bit as the Oxygen OS was doing great on OnePlus devices. Some say there is going to be an OS upgrade coming in April, though there is no clue how other models are going to get it. Chipsets are good as always. OnePlus 10 Pro is using the Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip for good performance and speed. Also, there is the RAM expansion option available in 10 Pro like in other brands. Two of the three cameras are the same ones that were found in the previous OnePlus model. The main wide camera is a 48MP sensor with a wide-angle lens, and the secondary is an 8MP sensor with a telephoto lens. So basically the same sensors from 9 Pro are used. Ultra-wide lens has got an upgrade in OnePlus 10 Pro. It is a 50MP lens with a 150-degree field of view, and this uses the Samsung's JN1 sensor. Compared to the 9 Pro, the sensor size is just half on OnePlus 10 Pro, and it is affecting the quality of the shots. The ultra-wide low-light pictures are not up to the mark as they were better on 9 Pro. Another important loss in 10 Pro is the absence of autofocus. So, no more macro shots using the ultra-wide camera. Videos are coming good with the OnePlus 10 Pro camera, and the phone is capable of recording quality 4K videos at a maximum of 60 frames per second, given that the phone is capable of more. For selfie and video calls, there is the upgraded front camera which is 32MP, and this has the auto HDR feature too. The camera software has got some new features too. There is the new Pro mode, and span included with a new video mode. Battery is superb on OnePlus 10 Pro, and it can easily last about 1.5 busy days. This is a dramatic improvement on 10 Pro. There is the 5000 mAh battery which can be charged quickly with the fast-charging 80W charger. Another option is the fast wireless charging with 50W, and you should buy this separately by the way. You can charge the phone to 60% within 15 minutes, and this must be sufficient for an entire busy day. The biggest change is the charger tech. As we mentioned earlier, Oppo's fast charging tech named Super VOC is used in 10 Pro. Basically you might have to carry the charger wherever you go because the charger is a USB-A charger and not USB-C anymore. Otherwise, the connectivity is all good with the usual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS support, so no big extra communications, which we don't expect. Overall, this model is getting a mixed review from every user so far, and we would like to stick with the same. There are a few improvements in the OnePlus 10 Pro model, but there is the huge step that OnePlus has taken to work with Oppo in the future. Color OS has to fit OnePlus users, and the model's price should please the customers as they have many options in the market with the same qualities. Stick with us for more videos, and a good day.